Why leg cramps occur and how to get rid of them. Surely, most of us at least once in our life experienced a rather unpleasant attack of a cramp of one or another part of the body. Cramps are an uncontrolled contraction of one or more muscles, which usually lasts a few seconds or can last for minutes. More often, cramps disturb people at night, interrupting sleep. The cause of this process may be increased physical activity, dehydration or loss of minerals, as well as age-related changes in the body. Emergency help. To quickly get rid of the cramp at night, you need to sit on the bed, lower your legs down and carefully stand up or just pinch the area where the cramp occurred several times. Pull the tips of your fingers towards you, then loosen the traction a bit and pull again. If the cramp does not contract, then get up, walk a little on the floor, and it is desirable that the legs are bare and the floors are cool. A gentle massage can help relieve twitching. To enhance the effect, use a warming agent. If the twitching does not go away, try pinching the spasmodic muscle or carefully pricking it with a pin. After the cramps have passed, it is advisable to lie down slightly with your legs raised, if possible, to ensure the outflow of blood and reduce the risk of recurrence of cramping. It is worth remembering that these methods relate only to irregular cramps, muscle spasms that are not caused by various nervous malfunctions or serious diseases, in contrast to those contractions that appear suddenly and often. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.